Hey, welcome back. This is probably the biggest piece of wood that we've tried to mill yet right here. It's a big piece of oak, about 34 inches in diameter. The sawmill did pretty well. We stacked it up to let it dry here, spaced it out with 3/4 boards and put some in-grain sealer on it. Let it dry out for a little bit. It was still a little wet. This is shoot berm that we built for somebody. This was using some of the timbers that I milled out. These are basically just a power pole split in half. We stacked them. We put 2 logs in the ground and stacked them up behind it. We just put 1 screw in the top to temporarily hold them. And then, as you see right here, we put cables down. Buried log, which we buried underneath a dirt pile that was stacked behind it. It turned out pretty well. Hopefully it will lean a little bit straighter once the dirt gets rained on and gets a little bit wetter, but pretty pleased with how it turned out. So I'm about to do a repair right here on a weight set for a friend of mine. It's this is how it's supposed to go. They all sort of stack together, I guess, where you could adjust the weight or something. And this is the problem with this one. I guess it broke at one point and somebody did a not so great repair on it, and they don't really fit together anymore to where you stack them. So I'm gonna cut this apart and re-weld it where it's supposed to be, and hopefully that'll be all we need to do. What I'm doing here, I just got the old weld ground out. I'm gonna re-weld some of these worse welds, and then I will, this one here, I'm gonna have to completely cut the bars off and then weld them back where they need to go. But before I do that, I'm just touching these welds up. Okay, I've got the outside one straightened back up a little bit to about where they need to go and re-welded most of them. I got this inside one right here. I ended up one that was bad, cut off, and it's just sitting there now. And I got it stacked in the weights where it's supposed to go. So while I got the other weights sitting there holding it in place, I'm gonna tack it up and then pull it out and weld it. Got the weights put back together here, where they slide out apart from each other pretty well, like they should. Got a cheap coat of paint thrown on them, because we all know if there's anything that makes a mediocre weld look better, it's a cheap coat of paint. Well, we got the Belarus running. It was kind of dark, so we didn't really have time to play with it a lot, but we did get the clutch adjusted, and we were able to adjust it, at least get it working for now. And I had to put a pry bar in it and free the clutch plates up. They were stuck together, but I guess where it's been sitting for so long. But it's running and driving now, goes in all the gears, and time to take the next step. Get a new seat for it. We got a little bit of work to do on the loader, fix some welds and stuff, and besides that, she might be ready to run.